So in this video, you'll learn how to close a game or an app running on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you have an app, say for example like mine that's currently running, and you want to close it, whether it's to launch something else or simply because you want to switch off your Switch, then all you need to do is just ensure that the app has been highlighted. So go ahead and select the app or just highlight it. And then once it's been selected, you then want to press on X on your console. Once you've pressed on X, you should see this menu appearing. So what you want to do is just confirm that you wish to close the software. Bear in mind that if you have any unsaved data, it will not be saved. So if you want to go back and ensure that you've saved everything, you can just select cancel, open the app, save your progress, and then come back and choose the option close. Wait a few moments as it closes the software. And once it's been closed, you can now go ahead and launch another software, or you can just put your console in sleep mode or turn it off, whatever it is that you decide. And so that's how you can close any game or any software that's currently running on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.